Meaning of French twist.
French twist.
French twist.
French twist.
French twist. A French twist is a classic hairstyle in which the hair is swept back from the face and twisted upward into a roll or coil at the back of the head. The style is typically secured with hairpins and can be dressed up or down, making it a versatile choice for formal or casual occasions. The result is an elegant and sophisticated look that accentuates the neck and shoulders while also keeping the hair off the face. This iconic hairstyle has been popular for decades and continues to be a go-to for women seeking a polished and chic appearance.